How to enable low power mode on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can turn on low power mode on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all you gotta do, you have to open your iPhone settings. So go ahead and open your iPhone settings, and once you are on your iPhone settings, now all you gotta do, you have to scroll down a little bit, and here you'll get battery. Tap on here, and here you can see that low power mode. Enable this toggle, then tap on continue, and we are done. And your battery color will change when the low power mode is on. So following this simple process, you can also turn on low power mode on your iPhone. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.